Hi, I'm Jason. I'm a SaaS administrator here at MRI Software. It's my day job. My hobby is flying FPV quads. So since we're all quarantined and can't come into the office, I thought maybe I would bring my quad down here to an empty parking lot and take everybody for a tour, see how the grounds are, in case you're work sick. Don't even know if that's an actual thing and who would actually be work sick. But take a little tour around, and I hope you enjoy the ride.
We are MRI. 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 Driving down Fountain Parkway, try to enjoy the ride. Swipe your badge 4 or 5 times just to get inside. Grass must not be greener on the other side. Boomerang, boomerang, boomerang. Yes, we're worldwide. I work at MRI. We make real estate software, not medical machinery, and we're right here, right now. We've been getting it done since 1971. Be fearless, yes, we stun. Whoa. And come to town hall, guess that we bought another company to integrate.